Vowel sounds are food being pushed to the GI system through peristaltic action. Normal vowel sounds are clicking and gurgling heard a few times to a dozen times a minute. An abnormal sound would be a high-pitched sound or a rushing water sound. An absent vowel sound would be anything absent for 3 to 5 minutes.
Yep.
To assess vowel sounds, you'll use a stethoscope. You want to start in the lower right quadrant.